I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can quick and easily check the error or fault codes on a Maytag top-loaded washing machine. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is the washing machine that I'm going to be working on right here. It's the Maytag. It says commercial technology. If we open it up, this will show you, there's the model number, just so you can see that. Now, for the most part, any of the top loads that have this similar configuration with the dials, it should work the same if you have these lights right here, because it's these lights right here that are going to tell you what the codes are. So let me show you what you'll need to do to get it into the diagnostic mode, so that way it'll generate the codes, and then I'll show you what the lights mean, and then it will also display the Maytag code so you can cross-reference and see exactly what it's telling you if you're having issues with your washing machine and you want to see what the issues are. Now, to put this into a diagnostic mode, what you're going to do is, starting off with the pointer on normal, we're going to go counterclockwise. Really, you only need to do it once. I do it twice just to make sure. So you're going to go past it 1 and then 2. From here, we're going to come 3 clicks. So 1, 2, 3. Back 1 click, forward 1 click. And now you'll see these lights right here flashing. And on the camera, it looks like they're kind of strobing, but actually they're all flashing together here. That lets you know that we're in that mode. Next, what you're going to do is turn it clockwise 1 click, and you'll see done is flashing. If we push this button, not hold it where you started, but just hit it once, this right here is showing that now that we are in the mode. Turn 1 more click, and this is now giving us our codes. So you'll see we're getting a flash here with some flashes here, and then with no flashes, we're getting a couple flashes. So I'm going to kind of translate what this means. When this one lights up, that represents the letter F. When none of these two right here light, that's letter E. So ignore these lights here. That's F. So F, E. When it lights and then these light up, that's F, and then whatever those numerics are. When it doesn't light and these do, that's E and what they are. Okay, so now that that's done, what you want to look at is you want to look at wash, rinse, spin, and done. Wash has a value of 8, rinse has a value of 4, spin has a value of 2, done has a value of 1. So when this one lights up, so let's see, we have F, and then we just saw we had rinse, spin, and done lighting up together. So that right there is 4, 2, and 1. So that's 7. You add them together. So that's F7. The next sequence here, none of these lights. So that's E. You have this one and this. Rinse and done. So that's a 4 and that's a 1. So that's E5. So the code that it's giving us is F7E5, which in this case pertains to the shift actuator, is what that code means. So basically, that's the code that we're getting out of this machine. I'm going to show on the screen now what those codes represent so you can see for yourself, depending on what code you're getting, what it's letting you know is the problem. So check this out. So now that that's done and you've gotten your codes down, what you want to do is you want to bring it here to this position. So we're going to bring it right here, and now all the lights are lit up. As mentioned already on this video, they're all kind of blinking around, but they're all lighting up together. That lets you know that the diagnostic is done. If we push this button here, it's going to blink. And there you go. We held it for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. All the lights went out. So what it's telling you is it cleared the codes and it now reset the machine back to where you can use it again. Because when it's in the diagnostic mode, you cannot use the machine. And that's it, quick and simple. Sometimes inside your machine, if you pop the lid off, there's a manual. In my case, there wasn't one in there. They're kind of hard to find online that kind of explain how to do this. That's why I wanted to do this video. But that will let you know if you're having problems with your washing machine. In the case here, we're having an issue with this one, and it's the shift actuator. And as we saw, the F7E5, that's what that code's telling us anyway. But I'm going to be replacing that part on this machine for another video. So please like and subscribe so you don't miss that. And I'll also have a link down in the description where I show how to replace the shift actuator. Also, as other things go wrong, I'll be fixing that as well. I've done some other videos on the Maytag dryer with the heating element and thermostats, things like that. I'll have those links also down in the description, as well as some other appliances, Frigidairs and things like that that I've done work on. But this is it, pretty simple. If your machine is acting up, before you go spending money buying parts, run this diagnostic and it'll tell you the issue that it's having. That way you can pinpoint it exact and purchase the correct thing. I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any issues you might be having with your Maytag top load washing machine. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.